Let's hope that saves some cutting implements. Well, it seems my underside got a little bit of a twist in it, more like a high edge. I'm not trying to get it perfectly flat, I'm just trying to give it enough reference surface to go through the power planer, the thickness planer. That's all I'm looking for. Let's just say I'm more than a little leery about my equipment being able to do this. But I'm just right at the maximum, maybe over, of what my planer can do. I've got it kind of sort of flat. I've got the edge kind of sort of jointed. We got to make it a little narrower. So I'm just going to try to take a skim off for now. I have my reservations. Take it a bit at a time. I'm going to take the last little bit off at the number 7. There's quite a bit to go. We'll start with the 5 first. And hopefully that's narrow enough to go through the planer. I got this as not a great reference side. On the back, the bottom, I'm going to just take a few light cuts on there to get another reference side that will improve over this side, and we'll flip it back and forth and see if we can't lightly bring it into shape. Because hand planing is killing me. Okay, a bunch of light passes. Come on over here. So now, I've got a surface that I planed, and it will be better than the other side. So we'll flip it over and make a couple more light passes on the underside of the tabletop. Okay, now the bottom should be a little bit better than the top. So now we've got an even better reference surface. I'm just going to leave that one there for now. I'm still over 3 inches. And we'll save the final top flattening for when we get the other one about the same length, about the same process. There's a wee little bit that it's missed here, but that and that is still lots of reference surface. So I think we're going to be okay. The underside isn't as important, it's just a reference to do the top. And we got the top flat enough now. One or two more passes ought to do it. So I think they're the same thickness now. And that thickness is 3 1/16, which is more than what I'd hoped for. I was hoping for anywhere around 3 or just a little bit under, so I still got a little bit of work to do. Of course, this is the underside. I'm not worried about that. I don't care what the underside of my bench looks like. It doesn't have to be pretty. The top has to be fairly true and flat. More so the place where I'm working as anywhere else. The rest of it is weight. And there's a lot of it there. I'm beat. And my shop my shop. Okay, that's it for today. Yeah, if anyone wants to say that this is doing it the easy way, I don't want to know the hard way. The easy way is hard enough. I'm drenched in sweat. I think they're going to be alright. Not sure if that's the edges that are going together or the other edges. But that's the top of my Roubo bench.